Every like, comment, and share you make online leaves a digital breadcrumb, a tiny piece of a much larger trail. That trail tells a story about you, your interests, routines, and even your location. And in 2025, connecting those dots is easier than ever thanks to powerful OSINT tools. Today, I'm revealing 10 of the best free tools to help you analyze social media like a pro. Let's dive in. This video is for educational purposes only. We do not promote stalking, harassment, or illegal tracking. Please use these tools ethically for cybersecurity research, digital investigations, or awareness. First up is Sherlock, a powerful and versatile command line tool designed for digital investigators, cybersecurity professionals, and even the curious everyday user. Sherlock takes a single username as input, and with just one command, it begins its search. It checks that username across more than 300 social media platforms, ranging from the most popular sites like Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram, to niche forums and lesser-known communities. This wide reach means you can uncover accounts that might otherwise go unnoticed. But Sherlock isn't just about seeing if a username is available or taken. It's about mapping a person's entire digital identity, tracing everywhere they've left a mark online, and revealing patterns in their online presence. Simply feed Sherlock a username, and it returns a comprehensive list of direct links to matching profiles. This makes it perfect for cross-platform identity mapping, allowing you to quickly build a profile of someone's online activity. By comparing how someone presents themselves on different platforms, you can start to understand their interests, habits, and even their online personas. This foundational knowledge is crucial before you dig deeper into their digital footprint. Getting started with Sherlock is straightforward. Just clone the repository from GitHub, install the necessary dependencies, and you're ready to go. No complicated setup, no steep learning curve. The output is clean, direct, and easy to interpret, making it accessible even for those new to OSINT investigations. Sherlock is the essential first step in any social media investigation. It casts a wide net, revealing the full scope of someone's digital footprint and helping you decide where to focus your efforts next. For anyone serious about open source intelligence, Sherlock is a must-have tool. Simple, effective, and indispensable for mapping the online world. Number 2 on our list is Social Analyzer, a powerful tool for digital investigations and online research. If Sherlock is the tool that finds the doors to someone's online presence, then Social Analyzer is the one that actually peeks inside those doors, revealing what's hidden in plain sight. Social Analyzer scans public social media profiles for usernames, bios, profile pictures, and even metadata, automatically piecing together a digital profile from scattered information across the web. It can spot when someone reuses the same profile photo across different platforms, extract emails or phone numbers hidden in bios, and consolidate all these findings into a comprehensive, easy-to-read report. This process saves hours, sometimes even days, of manual searching, letting you quickly vet new contacts, investigate potential scams, or gather intelligence for deeper research. Social Analyzer is open source, so anyone can use it for free. It runs from the command line for power users or through a web interface for those who prefer a visual approach, and it color codes its detailed output for clarity. It's the logical next step after Sherlock. Once you've gathered a list of accounts, Social Analyzer helps you dig deeper to see what those accounts actually reveal about a person. Think of it as your automated reconnaissance agent, tirelessly scanning and connecting the dots between digital footprints. In today's world, building a personality profile from digital dust is essential for investigators, journalists, or anyone who needs to understand who's really behind an online identity. Social Analyzer makes that process faster, smarter, and more thorough than ever before. Third is Truthfinder, a commercial service with a surprisingly useful free preview. It aggregates public records, social media, and more, letting you search names or emails for associated accounts and posts. The free search often reveals just enough to connect crucial dots, especially when bridging online personas with real-world data. You might find links to old profiles or forum posts tied to the same email. For OSINT, the value is in the initial snippet. Use it to corroborate info from other tools. It's a targeted clue finder, not a deep dive, but sometimes that's all you need. At number 4, we have Intelligence X or IntelX, a search engine for the digital underground. Unlike Google, IntelX indexes leaked databases, paste sites, dark web mirrors, and a massive archive of social media data. Search for usernames, emails, or domains, and it scours its archives for any mention, even in old data breaches. This is invaluable for connecting current profiles to older, forgotten identities, or for data breach investigations. The free version lets you preview results, often enough to confirm a link or find a new lead. IntelliX is indispensable for uncovering the historical digital footprint of a target. It's all about connecting the dots between data spills. Number 5 is Maltego Community Edition, a visual link analysis tool that maps out relationships between data points. Start with a username, add emails or profiles, and run transforms to fetch related info. Maltego turns lists of data into interactive graphs, revealing clusters, mutual friends, or organizational structures. It's perfect for seeing patterns you'd miss in a spreadsheet. The free Community Edition is powerful enough for most OSINT tasks, with built-in transforms for social media and more. It takes some learning, but once you get it, your investigations become visual and intuitive. Maltego is the difference between having ingredients and having a recipe. It's a game changer for mapping digital relationships. Number 6 is Nameshk, a simple tool that checks username or brand name availability across hundreds of platforms and domains. It's essential for spotting brand impersonation or finding hidden aliases. Investigators can run variations of a username to uncover secondary or private accounts on niche sites. Nameshk gives a quick overview of where a name is taken, helping you expand your search. The interface is fast and color-coded, showing you instantly where to look next. While it doesn't link directly to profiles, it tells you where to dig deeper. It's a quick-hit tool for broadening your OSINT sweep. At number 7, we have Who Posted What, a powerful search interface for Facebook's vast history. It lets you search public posts by person, keyword, date, or location, far beyond Facebook's standard search. Want to see everything someone posted in May 2018? Or who posted at a specific venue on a certain night? This tool does it. It's invaluable for building timelines, verifying claims, or uncovering forgotten posts. The interface is simple. Enter your parameters. Get a custom Facebook search URL. Who Posted What leverages Facebook's own graph search in a much more granular way. For any Facebook investigation, it's a specialized tool that unearths what others miss. It turns Facebook into a searchable, geotagged archive. Number 8 is EXIF.tools, a web-based EXIF data viewer for images. Every digital photo contains hidden metadata: date, time, camera model, and sometimes GPS coordinates. EXIF.tools extracts this info, helping verify when and where a photo was taken. GPS data can reveal locations. Timestamps help build timelines. Camera models can link photos to the same device. It's easy to use. Just upload or paste an image URL and see what's hidden inside. For visual intelligence, EXIF.tools is a must-have. Number 9 is all about Telegram, one of the world's biggest and most influential messaging apps, with millions of users worldwide and a reputation for privacy and large group chats. For open source intelligence, or OSINT, Telegram is a true goldmine, offering a wealth of information that's often hidden from the public eye on other platforms. There isn't just one tool for the job. Rather, there's a whole ecosystem of OSINT bots, scripts, and techniques designed to help you scrape and analyze public group and channel data efficiently. These bots can export member lists, scan for usernames, and even help you identify patterns of activity within groups. In some cases, if group privacy settings are weak, bots can even extract phone numbers and other sensitive details, making it possible to build detailed profiles of group members. By analyzing forwarded messages, group metadata, and user interactions, you can map out entire networks, trace the flow of information, and uncover connections between individuals or organizations. Most of these bots are open source and can be found on GitHub or directly within Telegram itself. Just add them to a group or channel and interact using simple commands to start gathering data. Telegram is a specialized but absolutely crucial platform for OSINT practitioners, offering unique access to real-time discussions, emerging trends, and insider information. Whether you're tracking cryptocurrency groups, monitoring political movements, or following niche communities, Telegram's public groups are a treasure trove of actionable intelligence. Mastering the art of tapping into Telegram's public data flow is essential for any modern investigator looking to stay ahead in the world of digital intelligence gathering. Number 10 is the classic, Google, supercharged with Google Dorks. Dorking uses advanced search operators to find info that's hidden from basic searches. Use cite to limit searches, inURL to find specific pages, or file type to uncover documents. For social media OSINT, You can find profiles, posts, or even leaked docs by crafting the right query. The real skill is in building precise searches. There are databases like the Google Hacking Database with thousands of pre-made dorks. It's free, powerful, and accessible to everyone. Mastering Google Dorking turns the world's biggest search engine into your personal intelligence tool. It's a fundamental OSINT skill. 10 powerful free tools, each capable of revealing the hidden layers of social media. But with great power comes great responsibility. Just because you can, doesn't mean you should. The line between ethical investigation and invasion of privacy is intent and legality. Use these tools to protect, verify, and uncover truths that help, not harm. In our digital world, the truth isn't hidden. It's waiting for someone with skill and patience to find it. Be one of the good guys.